Izzy them, and this is my subject, Armando. Okay, this first move is the helicopter move, and it's simply like this. And that's how you do the one. The second move is scissors, and it's done like this. So it's called the step over, and it's like this. Simple as that. Okay, this next one is called the fakie. It's when you pretend to go one way, but you go the other way. It's like this. This one is called the pullback. It's simply just dribble the ball, and you just pull back. Okay, now I will demonstrate the helicopter move on my subject, Armando. No! Okay, now I will demonstrate the scissors move. Okay, now I will demonstrate my step over. Demonstrate the fake. Now I will demonstrate my pullback. Okay, so those were some basic, simple soccer moves, and I hope you learned something today. I will demonstrate the helicopter. Okay, now I will demonstrate the helicopter move on my subject, Armando. Okay, so those are some simple, basic soccer moves, and I hope you learned something today. Okay, so those are some basic, simple soccer moves, and